Hey guys, so today I got Ticket to Ride First Journey. This game is from USA. So let's check out what is there in this game. I feel this game is good for children's, but of course it's 6 plus age. And 2 to 4 players can play. This is cool, and yeah, there are these characters. Ticket to Ride First Journey. Let's open the box. Oh yeah, and before that, let me turn the box and see what is this. Here, Ticket to Ride, and then there are these blocks and trains, and it's just written something. We'll see this at the end. There are these different cards and this girl over here and these people, and he looks evil. He looks pretty evil. So let's open the box. So guys, I opened this box. First of all, we have the instruction card. Looks pretty cool. The designs made on it especially are very cool. Look at this girl again. She's pretty. Okay, so here you have a lot of things to see and stuff. We'll read it afterwards, of course. In part 2, I might show you to play the game, but I'm not making the part 2 because I don't want to make it. But in this video, I'm gonna. So here inside it looks something like this. I never have sound like this. It's pretty cool, guys. Look at this. Something so. This is pretty heavy, guys. Pretty heavy. Okay, I'll keep this on the side, and let's move to this. I think this is supposed to be a board. It's giant, guys. So, okay, so I'll just set this up and show you. Guys, this board is seriously big. Just look at it. It's so big. Here's the top view. It's cool and big, and yeah. Actually, I'm not gonna read these names because I'm clearly not sure about these names. You can read them, but I'm not telling the names because I'm not sure what is the words, because like it's American word something. You guys might know it and try your best to learn this. Let's move on to this. Okay, cool. Okay guys, so we have this. What is this over here? So this is this nice pack of cards. So I don't know what the cards are. I still did not open it. So yeah. Actually I like it a lot. This one is a different one. Oh, what is this? This looks cool. I did not read the instruction manual, but this looks cool. What is this? It's a tiger over here? Yeah, it is. It is a tiger. By the way, don't mind my nail polish. It's a little, crab. So. And then we have red blocks. Look at the noise. We can make a ASMR. So these are red. Then we have yellow. We have blue. We have green. And I don't know why, but there is 2 of each in this mixed. So I don't know why. But yeah. And then this is all what was there in this. Okay, so let me pack all of this. So guys, this was the amazing view of this Ticket to Ride First Journey. Actually, I like it. I like it a lot. It's cool. So these are the characters, all of them. Comment down below, by the way, which character did you like? The first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, or the fifth one? I think this is a girl and this is a girl. These three are boys or men. This can be women or girl also. So please like my videos and subscribe my videos and comment down below whatever you think about this. And please, I'm hoping you will like and subscribe. Bye bye guys. Have a good day.